Hello students. Today we are going to study about the conjugation in bacteria. So conjugation was actually discovered by Lederberg and Totem in E. coli. See, this is bacteria. This is the genetic material of bacteria and this is plasmid. It is F plasmid, means it is having a gene for fertility. Because it is having a gene for fertility, we call this bacteria as F plus, or we call it as male, or we call it as donor. Okay. This is another bacteria which is having only genetic material but no plasmid. Because it does not have plasmid, so this bacteria is known as F minus, also known as female, also known as recipient. Now at the time of conjugation, what will happen? See the board. One tube will come out. This is known as sex pili. Okay, which is going to make the conjugation tube. So this is known as sex pili. The first step is slowly this tube is made by the F plus. Then this tube will start elongating. It will elongate and it will make a connection with the F minus. You can see the board carefully how it is making connection with the F minus. And this conjugation tube is made. So this tube initially which was sex pili, now this tube is known as conjugation tube. After some time, what changes we will observe? We will see that the genetic material is same there only, but F gene has moved from F plus into F minus also. Is it clear? F gene is moved from F plus into F minus, making the F minus into F plus. So this is the conjugation tube formation. And as a result, the change is F plus is F plus only, but F minus also became F plus. Reason is genetic material of the plasmid is transferred from here to here. So F plasmid is transferred. So we can say in this type of conjugation diagram, we can say when F plus is conjugating with F minus, F plus remain F plus, but F minus also becomes into F plus. Is it clear? So we are going to say here that this male is not fertile. This male is changing the sex of the female. So we will say this is male sterile method. It is also known as sex duction method because it is changing the sex of the female. It is making the female into male. F plus is conjugating with F minus and both are becoming into F plus. Now in another type of conjugation, see first of all, this we have know very well, it is your F gene, okay? F plasmid or F gene. So first of all, what will happen? See the board carefully. The bacterial genetic material and plasmid will conjugate. They will combine together. And this is structure. After this is structure, not total, this is structure. Please focus the board. This structure is known as episome. So these males with the episome are known as high frequency of recombination male, also known as super male, also known as meta male. Now they will make the conjugation tube. The formation of the conjugation tube will be by the pili, which will further grow and make the connection with the F minus and establishing the conjugation tube. Is it clear? This is the conjugation tube which is made. Now see the board carefully. This is your HFR and this is F minus. Just for your color difference, I am using this color for the F minus. Okay, this is the color I am using for the F minus genetic material. Now focus the board. See, it will break from here. Okay, and this piece will start entering inside. It will enter inside and it will start moving it. So bacterial genetic material is start entering inside the F minus. So it means from this diagram it is clear that plasmid turn will be the last. Plasmid will be last to enter. Before this only what will happen? The tube will break. This tube will break. Okay, the only part of the genetic material of HFR is able to reach in the F minus. Now see what changes will be done. So if you see here, HFR will remain HFR only. And F minus is also remaining as F minus only because it is not getting the plasmid. But see the board, now what will happen? It will become a part of this one. It will fuse with it. So this is known as merozygote. So this structure is known as merozygote. And we are able to see now, see the board, you can analyze it carefully. Ki now male is actually HFR only and F minus is working as female only. The female is not, sex is not changed. So this male is known as fertile. It is able to produce zygote. So we'll say male fertile method. This is male fertile method. Is it clear? So we can represent it this way. When HFR conjugate with F minus, then HFR remain as HFR and F minus remain as F minus. So now see what is a summary. Summary says कि when F plus conjugate with F minus, then F plus remain F plus, but F minus also becomes into F plus. And this method was your male sterile method. Is it clear? Which we have already discussed it. But when HFR conjugate with F minus, then HFR remain HFR and F minus also remain F minus, and we say this is male fertile method. I hope this explanation will help you to understand how the genetic recombination is occurring between the bacteria. In this topic today, what we have discussed in conjugation, this is the only method of the bacteria in which actually two bacteria are really coming in contact. So we can say conjugation is also a type of a sexual recombination. But if you see carefully, the two bacteria are coming in contact temporarily and they are just exchanging their genetic material. So it's better to call conjugation as genetic recombination only. I hope the explanation is clear to you. For revising the concept, please check the link which is given in the comment box. Thanks for watching.
If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.